am Dharrshan, I'm from St. Patrick's. How I got to know Ace or POA is through my friends. I was doing really bad in my POA. So before coming to Ace or POA, I used to get F9. But once I came to Ace or POA, for my N level I got A2. Because for my subjects, I actually dropped one of the subjects and then I turned to POA. And then when I came here, the teacher put in a lot of effort in giving the materials and explaining, and I thought that the most I can do is just pass my POA very good, like make sure that his teaching doesn't go to waste. Back in school, the teacher would just teach the subject and I wouldn't get it. And then in Ace or POA, it gives me like a more described idea about POA and all the topics. It was easier to understand because there was more materials also. One special thing is, no matter what time I ask the teacher about questions, he will still reply, even if it's like midnight or what. He's very dedicated and that actually helped me mostly in my exams. I would recommend Ace or POA to my friends because it helped me a lot. If it helped me a lot, I know it can help others also. Thank you for taking your time teaching me. No matter how slow I was, you still helped me. You gave me a lot of materials. You stayed up all night answering our questions. Thank you Ace or POA and thank you Alex.